Here we go again. How rare. This is John in Los Angeles. It's January 26th, 2021. These guys have been going pretty strong the past hour or two. Can you imagine? If there is a pilot in this thing, what a psycho he would be to do this to our life below. I just think they have to be some kind of drone. Like even somebody operating a drone would have to be a twisted, scum-sucking PM, too. Like this. Anybody recognize this anus? Let me back up a little bit. It's pretty far away now, but I'm still trying to get him. I don't know how much crap we gotta put up with, man. We're wearing masks and all this crazy stuff and shutting down stores. We just have to say no to all of it. I mean, look what we got here. We got no choice. We have to breathe this air. So that's bad enough, but masks, and then that Fauci freak tells people to wear 2 masks. It's more effective. Really? Why don't you just super glue your nose and mouth shut and get it over with? God, crazy, insane people running everything. And, you know, not getting in trouble for any of it. Anyway. All right. I'm done with this turd bucket. I'm so sick. I'm just so sick of seeing this. Oh, wait. There's another one right next to him over here. Wait. Hold on. And now I see another one. Where do you go? Hold on. Can anybody see him? Because I can't see him on my camera, but I know he's there. Somewhere. Hold on, I'll put my eye up to the eyepiece. Oh, there he is. Oh, he's hard to see. All right. In fact, it's too much. Anyway, talk to you guys later. What a fun job. Yay.